worker, how do you think about doing company?
Well, this is my second visit to doing company, especially the production site. Of course, this is already now a new factory or workshop, much bigger than the first one I visited. They have really expanded uh, by so many times. The level of production, manufacturing, professionalism is very impressive. In the area of equipment manufacturing for cassava production or cassava related products, they are really number one in China. For this I can tell anybody. Their equipments are up to standard, uh, very environmental friendly. They use the best equipment, the best material, because the equipments they produce are normally food related, are for consumption. So they really pay attention to environmental requirements so that it doesn't really create any fear or any issue of poisoning the food which the customers or the clients will have to consume. So I really commend them. They are doing a great work. So let them continue with it.
Thank you, thank you.